Hey guys, so I'll be showing you guys how to do this list of table and list of figure for your project. So what we're going to do, first of all, let me first delete all this one I've done for myself. So I'll just come here, delete every single thing here. So we'll delete this one, then we'll start from scratch. Now I'll come to this other one here, which is list of figure. Then I'll delete every single thing. So I'll just come down to this part here. Then just come here like this, copy everything to the top, then we delete. Now if you notice, our chapter 1 is coming up. So we're just going to come back here, make sure that there is a space immediately after the listing, list of table first of all. So we are going to do list of table. If you follow this order, first of all, it should be list of table. So once you put list of table, remember our format is what? Home. We're using Times New Roman, not this one, so we'll change it to Times New Roman. Then this is supposed to, let's put 13, or you can use 12. Better still, you can use 12. Then after 12, then we bolding it, we centralize it, then, and that's all for this one. Now we'll come to the next line here, which is nothing. So how you get this, first of all, is to come to, for list of table, the only table we have is your literature review, which is your chapter 2. So we're just going to come to literature review, the table. This is our literature review. Now if you notice, based on I've done it before, it's already showing here. So what I'm going to remember the thing. So let's copy this stuff here, which is summary of table. Remember, it's summary of table. So immediately I copy this, then I'm going to delete every single thing. So I'll delete it. So I'll repeat the same process. I'll just right click on this, then click on insert caption. Now instead of this table, where you see table, you put like this, spacebar, Ctrl V. This is like the name of it. Now it should be above, not below. So make sure your position is above. Then you click table. This your label should be table. So once you put table, click OK, and automatically it will be going to be generated as you've seen. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to highlight everything here. This is not in my format, so I'm going to change it to Times New Roman. Then I'm going to change this one to 12. Then I'm going to centralize mine. So once you centralize it, then change the font, make sure the font is 12, then enter, and this is it. So immediately you finish this here for your table, and for any other table you have, once you've done this, then go back to the table we did. So we're just going to go back, which is this. Remember, we wrote list of table. Now you click on the next line. Once you click on the next line, what you're going to do, you come to reference. Once you come to reference, you click on insert table. Once you click on insert table, you come to label. For label, this caption label, we have the figure, we have table, but click on table. Once you click on table, now remove this hyperlink. Just click on this to remove the hyperlink, then click OK. Once you click OK, do you want to replace the selected figure? Just click on yes, and if you notice, it has been generated, which is this. So what we are going to do for this is to just highlight this, copy this, Ctrl C, then delete. We'll come here, then click on enter, come to this side here and Ctrl V. Then immediately put Ctrl V, highlight this again. Then remember, we are going to centralize it. So you centralize it, you can centralize it, and that's all for creating your table. Now let's go to the next one, which is our list of table. Okay, let's first do the right thing. So we'll come to this next line here, but before we do any other thing here, we'll just come down. We will have to come down. Let's go to our now list of figure is for any image that you have here. All the images are called list of figure. So I'm just going to make an example with 2. I mean, I've already done everything, but I'm just going to make an example with 2. Then you repeat everything for all your own. And most of the figures are in chapter 3, where you have your different diagrams. So for my diagram, okay, I have this diagram, which is entity diagram, which is this. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to highlight this stuff. Ctrl C, then I'll delete every single thing here, because I want to show you guys what I did. So what you're going to do, you're just going to click on the image, which is the diagram we've done. Once you click on it, then you right click. Click on this one where they say insert caption. So when you click on insert caption, it's going to open this same stuff for you. Then spacebar, Ctrl V. When you paste, Don't choose table. This label this time is not, it's supposed to be table. The label is supposed to be, now change the label to figure, because this is a figure, you get. And make sure this one is below selected item, not above this time. So put this one below. Once you click on below, then click on OK. Automatically it's generated. See, so when it's generated, remember we're just going to highlight this, come here, Times New Roman, change our font to 12. Then we are going to centralize it this time. And guys, that's how you do it. So let me make another example. Let me pick another one and do another one, so it will just be 2. So you come down again. Let's say we want to use this one, which is our use case diagram. So we'll just highlight everything from here, Ctrl C, then we'll delete every single thing. So what I'm going to do, remember, click on the image. When you click on the image, from your mouse, you right click your mouse, click on insert caption. When you click on insert caption, make sure your label is figure. Now your position should be below sentence, below selected item. Then we put this stuff, then Ctrl V, which is the title, which is use case diagram. Now immediately you're done, we just click on OK. Then it's just going to generate as you've seen. So what I'm going to do is to highlight this, change this to Times New Roman. So Times New Roman, I'm going to make this one 12. Then remember, you centralize it, so it will be at the middle of the image. Then, and that's all guys. So for the rest, you just repeat every single thing for the other one. So this one, same thing, repeat every single thing for all your figures that you've gotten. So this one too, if I did the same thing. So when you're done, you come back to that, you come back to the top, which is, so now we're going to create the table. So on that, don't put it on top of the list of table. After list of table, now under list of table, we are just going to click enter. Then we are going to click on reference. We're going to insert, remember, see what I'm doing. So let me just bring my phone closer. So you come here, let me cancel this. So what you're going to do, under this one, immediately finish this one, you come up here, which is reference. Click on your reference. When you come to reference, don't come to table of content. Come to this insert table here. Click on insert table. Now when you click on insert table, now the caption table, this one's supposed to be figure. Don't put table. This one we are doing is figure, so it's supposed to be figure. Now unclick this one, let it be like this. So once you're done with this, and make sure it's like this, then click on OK. Now if you see, automatically it has been generated. So what we are going to do, it's not going to write that stuff for you, which is the title. So you'll be the one to write it yourself. So let's highlight this, Ctrl C. Then I'm going to write it, which is Ctrl V. So instead of list of table, I'll change this one to list of figure. So immediately I change this to list of figure. Then this one is supposed to be on its own line, while this other one needs to be on a different page on its own. So I'm just going to take it down until I get to another page, which is this page. So a new page is supposed to be for this one. So I'll just come here, highlight, go down, and guys, that is how you're supposed to make your stuff. So if I go back, let's say I reduce it. So guys, that's how you create your list of figure and list of table. You're welcome.